Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are all fine. Very good. Today we are going to read about the story Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Before entering in the story, one point is very much important to all of us. We should know it that this story is a picture based story. That means pictography is there, where pictures are there, speech bubbles are also there. That means you have to understand the story not only from the speech bubbles, but also you have to look at the pictures. From there, you should understand that what actually the meaning is coming out from there. General story we read only by reading, we understand it. But here, reading plus picture, both the things are equally important. At the same time, speech bubbles are also there. Good. So let us start the story Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Before coming to the story, first you should know who was Gopal. Actually, Gopal was called Gopal Bhor or Gopal Bhar. He was very famous in Bengal, in the medieval Bengal in 18th century, when the king Krishna Chandra was there in Nadia. He was the court jester there. His main duty was to entertain, give laughter to the people. In fact, the king was very happy. King was very much, you can say, acquainted with him, very much close to him for his witty nature, for his brilliance, for his intelligence, for his presence of mind. In fact, king made him, the Navaratna also included him there. And we should understand that Gopal's intelligence, there was no question. Whatever the challenge, whatever the situation was there, Gopal could handle it. So one more challenge was given to Gopal in this story. We'll understand it. One more thing, Hilsa Fish, that also you should know. For the non-vegetarian people, this Hilsa Fish is very famous. They enjoy this fish. It's a sea fish. In fact, in rainy season, this fish has a great demand. So let us to read and understand this story. In this story also we'll understand everywhere people are discussing regarding the Hilsa Fish. You go to the market, you go to the household areas, everywhere people are discussing, talking, purchasing, shopping. All these things are based on Hilsa Fish only. So now the question is that Hilsa Fish discussion has come even in the court also. There also people are discussing. So as people are discussing regarding this, in front of the king also that discussion was going on. The king became very much angry. The king scolded also to the courtiers. Are you a courtiers or fishermen? What is your duty? Should you discuss about the Hilsa Fish in the court? Anyhow, the courtiers felt very shy and they became all silent. The king also felt somehow he also became very much angry towards them. So finally the king told Gopal, this Hilsa Fish matter, even it has been spread in such a way, even you are also not able to stop the people to discuss regarding Hilsa Fish for 5 minutes. Gopal told, sir, I can do it. Gopal accepted the challenge. So what was the challenge given? The challenge was given, Gopal has to purchase a Hilsa Fish from the market and he has to bring in the court. No one should ask a single question regarding Hilsa Fish. So 10 days later, Gopal started to prepare for purchasing. So first, one side he saved, half saved. The moment he did it and he was planning to go, his wife became very much angry. What is this nonsense you are doing, half saved in this way? Why are you doing like this? Gopal told, I am preparing myself for buying the fish. She became very much surprised. What is this? For buying fish, you have to make up in this way? Then what Gopal was doing, he was smearing ash in other side. So she became very much angry. She told, are you becoming mad? You cannot go in this way. And in the picture also we'll see how Gopal was going, wearing the half pant. So anyhow, Gopal has purchased the fish, and from there, after purchasing, when he was walking towards the court proceeding, Lots of people came out from their home, saw, and everyone thought that this man is quite become mad. That means he diverted the attention of the people from Hilsafi's to towards his facial expression. His expression was like a madman only. So all were looking towards him and no one was looking towards the face. Anyhow, Gopal came in the court area. The doorkeepers, they were not allowing to enter inside. Anyhow, Gopal told he wants to meet with the king, but they were not allowing. Even it was also told to throw him away. But as Gopal was not only in the crazy attitude, but started to dance also, started to sing also. So all people became so surprised and shocked, and finally the report came to the king also. The king anyhow called him, but no one was able to understand. Afterwards, some people understood him, but the king was not able to understand that he was Gopal only. So then king asked, when it was recognized that it is Gopal only, the king asked, why did you do so like this? Why are you so in a mad shape today? Your expression, your posture like a madman. Why it is so? Then Gopal told, sir, I think you have forgotten the challenge what you have given. The challenge was given that I have to bring one Hilsa fish from the market to the court. And you see, in the court also no one is asking about the Hilsa fish, though Hilsa fish is on my hand only. Then the king understood, yes, Gopal, I can recall now, though I have forgotten, but I can recall now that challenge was given to you. And really, you are wonderful. Congratulations, Gopal. Once again, you have proved that your talent. And I think your talent has no question about it. So this is one example of Gopal. Like this, so many examples. If we enter in the life story or in the history of Gopal Verma, we will find out so many facts and figures like this only. So you read, you search about him, you will get a lot. Thank you.